doing this shit. Quit going like that.
Oh God, it fell off. Another car is coming like this.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna camp on it.
Getting down with your bad self, just like bam.
Ooh.
Did she wave back?
Yeah. That was weird.
Let's see this.
Wait.
Are we allowed to be out here?
Take this.
Are we allowed to be out here?
Obviously. Oh.
That guy was hot.
I know. Now I feel embarrassed.
Oh, can't remember the baby.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, and that drug dealer won't mind. He's kind of crazy.
Let's just be staring at our bodies. You know, the usual.
Yeah, I know.
Holy crap, it zoomed in on your face.
Holy crap, I look amazing. Wait, give this to me.
Here's something.
So we're at a strip club.
What? To the club, like what up? I got a big cock. I'm just pumped. I bought some shit from a thrift shop. Ice on the fringe is so damn frosty. The people like, damn, that's a cold ass honky.